We set off from Warneet at 10:30, intending to sail south to Rhyl on the first day, then on the second day sail around Phillip Island and back to Warneet. The wind was light, so we motored down the creek through the mangroves. After about an hour, the wind picked up, so we were able to sail, tacking our way to Rhyl against the southerly wind. We arrived at Rhyl during the afternoon and moored at the pontoon. We went ashore to get a meal. We saw a couple of Cape Barren geese, a species which is now common on Phillip Island. The next morning we saw this strange craft approaching the pontoon. It was constructed from marine debris, mainly from fish farms.
This is the very famous, what do you call it, Samuel?
That's a really good question. It's a cross between a raft and a sailing vessel. Made entirely out of marine debris, but the safety equipment's been purchased or donated.
And it's come from Tasmania and been up the east coast of Australia and is quite a remarkable feat of both engineering and determination. Alright, see ya.
Thanks for your interest.
The next morning the forecast was generally favourable, but we knew we would initially have to motor towards San Remo against a light easterly wind. Once we were in Cleland Bight, we had to turn into the wind and start the engine again. Once we had got south of Cape Woolamai, we could turn west and start sailing again. The dolphins came to check us out, but they did not stay long.
We've got a few of them now, I reckon.
We sailed between Seal Rocks and the Narbis. Seal Rock supposedly is home to 5,000 seals, but we did not see any. Once around the Narbis, we could head north back to Warneet. With a good following wind, we arrived back at about 7:30.